Hello, the Mr. Boom here. Welcome to FX Billionaire Hub. And in this video, we're gonna analyze the market for next Monday to Friday. That means next week. As per our analysis style, we always start our analyzing with high time frame, like weekly. Then we will find out the market direction with daily time frame. Then we can find out our key zones or entry zones in H4 and H1 time frame. Okay. And before we start our analysis, we have to keep our concern on fundamental things because the geopolitical issues is really a concern nowadays. So if you want to trade on gold or USD related any pair, so you have to keep your concern on geopolitical issues or what is happening with United States or what is happening around the world, like Iran and US where, okay? Iran and US where, Russia and Ukraine where. You have to keep your concern on those two things also while you want to trade on gold. So we will discuss later about fundamental things, but before we start, we need to analyze with weekly time frame. That means firstly we need to check the direction with weekly time frame. My friend, as you can see there, market is rapidly growing from long term ago, but currently there is some bearish momentum due to Hormuz Strait. Okay, Hormuz Strait closer. Okay, and due to US oil agreement, as per previous week's analysis, due to US oil agreement, gold is really connected with USD. Okay, XAUUSD. Okay, that means gold is always connected with USD. So while you want to trade gold, you have to keep your concern on United States dollar. That means instead if go up, gold will go down, as per gold and USD runs opposite direction. In that case, due to US oil agreement, oil price is rising up day by day. In that case, USD is also getting its strength day by day, and that impact exactly right there because of the US oil agreement. And as per I said, due to US oil agreement, United States dollar getting stronger for the oil price higher, and due to gold always run with opposite direction in USD, that's why United States dollar getting strength and there is downfall for gold. That is the reason why gold is falling nowadays. And there is more thing you have to keep your concern. If Hormuz Strait, that means if Hormuz Strait gonna be open soon, oil price will go down, United States dollar strength will lose. Okay, in that case gold will go up. Okay, and if Hormuz Strait continues to closer, okay, if there is more chaos in Hormuz Strait, in that case oil price will go more up, United States dollar will get more strength, and in that case gold will fall more or gold will go more down. This is the thing, or this is the scenario right now. So while you get any kind of news about the case pair, and one more thing you have to keep your mind, that is Hormuz Strait. Okay, if Hormuz Strait keep closer due to US and Iran where, due to US and Iran where keep closer, we have to sell gold, or we have to continue gold selling based on the confirmation, because if Hormuz Strait close, oil price will go up and United States dollar also get its strength due to gold always run opposite direction in oil. So you have to keep selling in gold. And if Hormuz Strait started to open with a ceasefire agreement or with a peaceful agreement, we have to start buying gold, because of the, if Hormuz Strait open, oil price will drop more, USD price will be more lower, and in that case gold will go up due to gold always run opposite direction of USD. So you have to keep your concern on that thing also. And from a latest article or a recent article, there is two major article. Number one is Iran military is preparing to respond US. Okay, US moves. That means US really want to make an agreement, and Iranian army just preparing a move. And number two is Trump convinced a meeting with senior national security team, that means wire team in Iran. So maybe there is a conclusion coming in upcoming wire, but there is few more concern. Number one is US want to destroy uranium from Iran. But number two is Iran they do not want to give their uranium, and that means nuclear weapons or nuclear weapons elements don't want to give or Iran don't want to hand over that to US. So you have to keep your concern on that thing also. Due to those two conclusion, maybe war is not going to end very soon, or as per we can see in the media or in the news. So we have to keep our concern on that. So in my opinion, war is not going to end very soon. Maybe there is an agreement to close, or maybe there is an agreement will be signed temporary, but long-term solution is not defined yet. So we have to wait to see what's gonna be happen. Okay, so that was the fundamental things. Now let's move in the technical section. So as per our weekly analysis style, we always start our analyzing with weekly, and there is weekly time frame selected. As you can see there is a support zone, strong support zone from the particular or from few months ago. And as you can see there, 3 times, number 1, number 2, number 3, 3 times that thing happens continuously. And first of all, gold give us a breakout here, pull back here, again it go up or rise up again in that particular scenario. So there is a chance to go up from that particular area, but before that we have to follow fundamental factors. Okay, and if I want to go back into daily time frame, before that I need to remove all of previous doing. So let's get back into our daily time frame to check our daily market momentum or daily market movement. Okay, as per you can see there is clearly shown a trend line from there to there. Okay, there to there. So we need to check what gonna be happen over there. And if I want to draw another trend line here, I'm sorry, another trend line here. Okay, you can see there is 2 trend line formed in that particular area. So maybe market going to move till that particular area, then we can consider that is a bullish momentum. Okay, and if the where is end in the weekend, or there is any agreement signed in the weekend, gold might be go bullish from that particular area. So in each and every time we have to follow fundamental news. And if I want to go for more confirmation like Fibonacci retracement area, so if I want to draw that from our recent high to recent low in daily time frame, as per you can see there, our 23.6 Fibonacci retracement area is exactly around that particular area. That means there is a chance to move bullish momentum. So I don't want to give exact buy or selling point. I will give that on market days, so then we can confirmly say that market will move that direction, because there is a lot of news volatility, there is a lot of fundamental things attested with the market momentum. So we have to keep our concern on that thing. So if I want to draw a particular support area in that particular area, as you can see there, that is also a strong support zone for this particular area. Okay, for this particular area, so we have to keep our concern on that thing also. Technically seems buy, but if there any conclusion about the where, we have to consider sell also. So you need to check the market momentum before you want to start trading, or if you need to check the fundamental before you want to trade. Okay, so let's get back into a lower time frame to find out our entry or direction. In technically, if I want to move in H4 time frame, as you can see there, as per you can see there, in smaller time frame like H4, as you can see there is a breakout. And if I want to draw upper trend line from there to there, okay, as you can see there is a breakout, and again trying to pull back, and it is ready to go down. And if I want to more clear that in H1 time frame, let's get back into H1 time frame. As per you can see there, in H1 time frame, we can see there some few trend line areas or trend line zones. And as per H1 time frame, as you can see there, you can clearly see a breakout zone over there. That means there is breakout, again pullback, again trying to go down. So we have to wait till the market open, then we can consider fundamental and technical issues, then we can consider buying or selling. Technically it seems sell from there, so we may consider selling from there, and we can sell till then what particular area or what zone? Till then that particular area. That means, let me make it perfect, that means 4454 area. So let's move again into H1 time frame. So if you want to take sell entry from that particular zone or area, That means if you want to take there, sell there, your TP point will be there. That is entry point and that is SL point. That means there is 1:3 risk reward ratio. Okay, that means there is 1, there is 2, and there is 3. And while you want to trade or you want to take any entry, always remember that risk to reward ratio will be 1:3. That means if you want to take 100 pips SL, you must have to consider 300 pips TP. Okay, that is the thing we are doing into our Telegram channel. We are sharing a lot of analysis or fundamental things into our public Telegram channel, and that is completely free. Link in the video description box. So that's for today. Mr. Boom signing out. Happy trading. Have a nice day.